Tessa Mason drove less than 100,000 kilometers, and the heat pump broke down due to airflow. I drove from Tangshan to Beijing to find Brother Long to repair the air conditioner. We arranged so many people to repair his heat pump. See what the car says. In the past, it was more appropriate to use the micro-travel feed to dismantle the compressor and remove the hot rod. After removing the hot rod, you must use air conditioning to clean and wash the hair, because it is very dirty inside.
Remove the rear end rod of the compressor, and take apart the socket to see if the moving socket is broken. Clean and repair compressor. Replace the screw with a new compression end cap and disassemble the heat pump. Cleaning magazines and heat pump aluminum tubes with ultrasonics. Restore the hot dream system. Clean out all the dirt in the air conditioner pipes, put the heat main back in, and then install the compressor.
After installing Hot Dream, you must first press and maintain the pressure, rush to ensure that there is no leakage in the pipeline, and finally add cold coal. Hot Dream fixed the blowing wind. Fixed Mouse says 3-day dream, saving fans more than 10,000 viewers, and helping you understand trams better.